Good evening, everybody. Hope you're doing very, very well. This is our last day in Wales. It's quite cold today, and there is a weather front moving in. The state of these bikes, man. Absolute disgusting state. I'm going to start mine because my phone's still charging. Easy. We've done 2 days of green laning on the Tet. Should we tell everyone about last night? Or I'll get on the road and I'll tell everyone about last night.
Yeah, I think that's a good road
Good
story.
intro. Yeah. We might do some of the Tet today, but Joe's never been to Baffle House, and everyone that watches the channel will know that I love Baffle House. It should be relatively busy today, I think, because, well, until the rain happens. Don't. Gonna get on the road, give these a bit of a spanking, because now we have a full tank of fuel.
Story to commence.
Story time shortly. We just drank some Monster energy drinks, didn't we? Because we're 18 years old on 125s. But I have a funny feeling it's... Stop putting my aerial up. I've got to get off on the wrong side. Such a tall bike, man.
You do make it look tall.
See what I mean?
Might have lost all the footage from that camera as well, so...
Mate, yeah. If you've been watching the Tet video so far, we may have lost all the footage from this camera. Go. Down here. Should we give everyone the download of what happened yesterday?
It all started when I came on.
Yeah, Joe crashed. I found out that my sump guard was very, very bent. And then we got going again. We were over by like Tregaron area, Tregaron. The sat-nav said 40-something miles back. It was either going up over the top, back into like Bilthwells area, or it was going underneath. And it was either 45 miles or 68 miles or something like that. And I said to Joe, actually, don't worry mate, I know a shortcut that straight across. And it's a really, really nice bit of road. Well, I took the wrong turn in, because it looks like the same road on the sat-nav as it normally does. You've seen it on the videos. I've got a picture of the monkey bikes on it, and it's a big shortcut. It's only like 20 miles as opposed to the 40-something. And then both Joe and I didn't think to ourselves, let's turn around and go and find the actual road. We carried on, because we're morons. Turned out to be the Strata Florida, which is, that whole section is known to be one of the most aggressive sections of the Tet, with like 3-4 foot deep water and all sorts of stuff. And also, it's been raining a lot recently.
Well, we came across a lifted Jeep and a lifted Land Cruiser, and it was going up over their wheels. And their wheels are bigger than our bike.
Yeah, when we decided to finally turn around, the one the guy went through it went over his bonnet. Like, it was that deep, and we were like, yeah, we're not getting the monkeys through that. Basically, we struggled for about 2 hours through all these different off-road trails. At this point, Joe just wanted to... Well, we both did, but it was predominantly Joe wasn't very happy about the fact that we weren't home with a beer. So he was getting more and more pissed off. And by that, I mean he was just getting quieter and quieter. And every now and again, we were both just going, "Oh, where the fuck are we?" So yeah,
And then what did we do, Sam?
You're not allowed legally to ride along the logging trails. Apparently, you have to go.
We didn't do that, did
So
we?
we definitely didn't do that.
No.
But
And we definitely didn't do about 20 miles across these tracks at all.
yeah, no, we didn't do that. One thing I failed to mention is that we both had about 1 bar of fuel.
And we have 5 litre tanks. So when it says 1 bar of fuel, you have about a litre of.
If I've been riding just on the road, I've got maybe to 130 miles, and I've had maybe like 2.2 of a litre left. So I said to Joe, I was like, look, if we carry on, we're gonna run out of fuel, or we're gonna get bogged down and it's gonna be a rescue mission, because there's no way on earth we're doing this. It's like,
and it's getting dark at this.
yeah, it was like 6 p.m. in the evening, slowly getting darker. Basically, we've got to bail. We nursed. Like, I'm talking, I was pulling my clutch in down any hill I could. I was coasting everywhere. Like, at one point I turned the engine off down a long hill just to stop using any fuel at all.
That's probably what got you to the fuel station this morning.
Yeah. We did like 20 something miles of definitely not logging trails. both of us flashing. Joe's really pissed off with me. I'm apologising because it's actually my fault because I should have just checked my phone. There was no
But, I mean,
reference.
it's an easy mistake to make because on the sat-nav, it did look like we were on the right piece of road because they run next to each other. Just one of them's like 30 metres over and up the hill.
Going up and down hill and up and down hills and all this sort of stuff. It was the most stressful, stupid thing we've done.
I was sat there in my head going, right, I have a lighter on me, so if we need to, I can make a fire. That's where it got to. No light up there at all. It was cloudy.
Literally no natural light at all.
Yeah, and
like
the
nothing.
lights on monkey bikes aren't known for being great.
I mean, they're okay, but they're not brilliant. They're really not good. So we were like riding next to each other, trying to use both of the lights to give us some form of sight of the road ahead, just in silence, watching the fuel bars flashing, and slowly watching the numbers climb up on how many miles we've done on reserve.
We made it onto a piece of tarmac eventually.
Yeah, 3 hours of doing 15 mile an hour and coasting everywhere. We made it back down onto the road that I was meant to be on in the first place. Got to one petrol station, bank holiday weekend in Wales, in rural Wales.
It was closed.
That was closed.
Right, there's another one down the road. Guess what?
That was closed as well. So we then decided to sod it.
Let's try and nurse them back to the hotel. We went past the Tesco's that is literally 300 metres away from the hotel, saw that it had petrol, went, you know what, we're both cold, let's just get the bikes back, get warmed up, and we'll fill up this morning. So we get up this morning, and we go to Tesco's.
Back on
It's
Sunday.
It's closed.
Yeah, it was stupid. And then also we got back, we tried to get food, and nowhere was open apart from the same curry house that we'd been in the night before. We've got a queue of traffic behind us.
Oh, and also we have a fuel bottle that we left in the van that would have saved us.
Yeah.
We just didn't take it.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't have any fuel in it
we've both
anyway.
got all of our heated gear with us, which would have kept us warm.
Didn't take
But
that
we
either.
didn't take it.
What the hell is that? A Tivoli? Sounds like a pasta dish. 24 miles to go. 3 cocks! Hopefully they'll just be doing like 30 mile an hour downhill and then I can overtake. Yeah, monkey! This is going to be a long overtake.
Just haven't got the power.
I literally went for an overtake with you and then I hit the rev limiter.
It's like the worst and the funnest game ever.
It's like proper dicing with death. When am I going to be happy to nearly die?
Oh god.
I'm coming with you. Coming with you.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, power monkeys. 20 is just too slow, isn't it?
Really, really boring.
Like if you can't control a vehicle at 30, you shouldn't be driving.
Yeah.
I understand next to schools and stuff, but
Next to a school or like outside a fire station or, you know, things where like they do just need to swing out as quick as possible.
even on a high
Or
street.
like hospitals, high streets, yeah. But just through a road, through a town.
It's just, it doesn't need to be that slow. My hands are on fire. Pop, 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 pop. What a great bit of road. Maniac!
Should we fill up just in case we get stuck tonight?
I laugh, but there's a quite high chance of it knowing us.
Even on this, it's hard to like stay at 20.
Yeah. You're hearing us, Wales. 9 horsepower monkey bikes struggling to do 20. The other thing that annoys me about it is that it makes you concentrate on your speed more than your driving / riding.
Yeah. I spend more of my time checking my speedo than I am actually looking at where I'm going.
Yeah. Well, it's the same thing with, like, you know, the 40-mile-an-hour average speeds on the motorway?
Yeah.
I see more people on their phones doing 40-mile-an-hour average speed because they've got automatic cruise on and they're just scrolling through Instagram.
Because they're bored, because there's no reason for it to be bored.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, God. Oh, fucking love this bike. It's so silly. I've done 1,000 miles on a monkey bike.
Have you actually? Ah,
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Please tell me on clicks I'm going as well.
Yeah.
You left?
Yeah, we're turning left in like 0.2 of a mile. So
Okay, I'll back.
probably don't sit right there. Just as I go, way!
Because you'll fit in there. In the back row, you'll see that red MV Augusta there.
Yeah.
There should be some space on the other side of it.
Cool, thank you, mate.
Am I just following you?
Oh, right, there we go. I can just see you, but not the bike. Right, let's go get coffee.
Get a coffee.
Coffee, cake.
Sparkly and clean, and then there's these.
Oh, we've been on the tap for the last couple of days.
Oh shit!
Nearly buried it in water, like 2 foot deep.
How do they fare? 'Cause obviously they're quite light.
Yeah, they're fine. Like, we were overtaking enduro bikes and everything. Because it's just, they bounce over everything. It's genuinely, I didn't think it'd be anywhere near that good, but we were going through, like, really deep water and it's completely fine.
Been up with a bunch of guys on like a couple of 250 gas and
Yeah.
Hell.
Right, everyone. Thank you for joining me. We're going to go get coffee and cake. And I'll see you in next week's video. Goodbye.
but yeah, I mean we've